I told y'all I got magic. But the next page is the formula. Yes, it's time to teach y'all the formula. Here you go. I hope y'all ready. This is the formula to teach you the way to make money on this social media. The first, fill in the amount of money you want to earn monthly. Next, fill in the amount of your product service. 3, determine how many clients you need to reach your goal. Example, if your goal is to reach 10,000 per month, I'm finna break it down for you. Literally like this. 10,000 divided by $47 product.
Yeah, and see, that's what the problem was. Because I heard him first. I said, hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
They been wanting to.
He recorded.
Yeah, but they been wanting to do that. I seen it the first time, so they just keep going.
But it was still recording? No, catch me right now, because I'm finna say something about that. I'm recording right now? Oh, that was very rude. People are rude, but don't let that stop you. That's the devil. I'm going to keep on pushing. Like I said, let me break down this 10,000. How to get 10,000 per month. Like I said, 10,000 divided by a $47 product equals 213 clients per month. Okay? 10,000 divided by $97 product equal 104 clients per month. Okay? And then 10,000 divided by a $497 product equal 20 clients per month. Okay? And then 10,000 divided by $997 product equal only 10 clients. I'm literally breaking that math down for you you ain't even got to do it. All you got to do is follow the steps and you can get paid. I'm literally serious. I literally break this down by week. Breaking this down by week. 213 clients per month equal 53 clients per week. 53 clients per week equal 10 clients per day. Like the 5-day worksheet. You feel me? So the personal formula, my goal is to earn however much you want to earn a month. Then my product service is how much it costs a month. Then my product service cost is, you hear me? So how many clients do you need to create your monthly income? I just broke it down for you. You create your income divided by the product service price, and then that give you your how much it costs to how much many clients you need to get. You hear me? Literally breaking it down for you step by step. Literally. Ain't that right? Just breaking it down for them. And then, other than that, reach out to me. Or reach out to Miss Ray Von Shea herself. And other than that, I'm finna put this right here. It's gonna be in the link in below, so you can get one yourself. We do got hardbacks for the people that want the hardbacks, but otherwise, just go ahead and get the printable to start it off. So you can get it, you can do a review video too. And let people know how you feel about the SBC. Successful by choice. What we say? Successful by choice. Say it for them. Say it. Say successful by choice. Alright. With my brother Phase Wave. Man, we out here doing big things in Vegas. Other than that, we catch y'all later. Alright.